Hello friends, today I will show you how to make a DIY wall hanging using plastic spoons. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. So the materials we need are cardboard, glue gun, plastic spoons, a small mirror and spray paint. Here I am using Asian Paint spray paint of red color, which is approximately 200 ml. You can easily get it from a paint shop. If you don't want to use spray paint, you can also paint the plastic spoons by using acrylic colors. So let's get started. You have to cut cardboard in circle shape and place the mirror in the center and trace its outline. Now you have to cut the spoons from its tip. See, you have to cut all the spoons like this. Now we will stick the spoons like this with the help of glue gun on the cardboard. Now I have stick all the spoons and it's time to paint it. We are coloring it with spray paint. So make sure that you wear mask and safety goggles. So let's start spraying. Now it's time to stick the mirror. We will with glue gun we will apply the glue. And place the mirror. And our wall hanging is ready. If you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.